Okay, well, today we did see a few light rain showers earlier on, but now the clouds are beginning to head out of here. And as we head on into the evening, mostly clear skies will be in place. Temperatures won't be too bad for us, expecting them to drop into the upper 40s and lower 50s, but that's just right around average for this time of the year. You can see where all the severe action is currently off to our south and to our east, going across Ohio and Pennsylvania. But none of that for us tonight, just mostly clear skies. And then as we head on into Friday, warmer temperatures arrive, and then even warmer air will be in place as we head into the weekend. But a look at your current conditions: 63 degrees with winds at the moment out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour, but we do still have a few clouds in place. Lower 60s in Marquette. As you head farther to the west, you'll notice our numbers a bit on the warmer side as you head into Crystal Falls at 75, 70 right now in Ontonagon, 68 in Ironwood. Cooler as you head in Houghton at 57 degrees. Eastward, our numbers are in the lower 60s where we do have some of the clouds still in place for us. 62 in Munising, 75 over into St. Ignace at 70, and Escanaba and here in Ishpeming at 63. Winds northeast 7 in Iron Mountain, 10 in Escanaba, and 9 out of the northwest in Houghton. So winds anywhere between 5 to 10. Shouldn't expect a lot of wind as we head on into the night. Should really weaken below the 5 mile per hour threshold. So for tonight, a mostly clear evening will be in place. Tomorrow looks to be very nice for us with highs returning into the upper 70s and the lower 80s for afternoon highs, and we'll keep a lot of sunshine around for that day also. And then on into the weekend, highs back into the mid, maybe even perhaps the upper 80s as we head on into Saturday and Sunday, with the warmest looking to be on Sunday itself. But let's take a look at our setup. You can see the big ridge in the jet stream. That's farther off to our west. So for the time being, not really seeing any of that really warm heat that is currently back into the central plains. Just more that mild, tranquil weather across the UP and northern Wisconsin. But by tomorrow, high pressure begins to ease its way ever so slightly off to our east. And once that happens, well, that will start to bring in a lot of that warmer air as we'll see more of a southwesterly flow to our wind. But look to see more of that as we head on into Saturday, and not so much so heading on into tomorrow. So we won't have to deal with the intense heat heading on into tomorrow, but definitely seeing it as we go on into the weekend. But let's time this all out for you. Looking at our FUTURECAST model tonight, expecting very clear skies to be in place. We'll head on into Friday, mostly clear skies still remaining across the UP. You can see some of the showers develop back off to our north and west, but won't be impacting us whatsoever at all as we head on into our weekend. Maybe a cloud or two as we get on into our Saturday evening, but then Sunday, this is where things start to get a little iffy for us. You saw a few of those lighter showers moving just to our north over Lake Huron. Well, there could be a few clouds, and well, we'll see if these showers start to move their way southward. But for the time being, we're just going to call for a forecast of a dry Sunday, not expecting any rain, but definitely a warm one as you head into Father's Day. Tonight, we'll drop down to 49, clear and quiet with winds. Should relatively be on the light side for us. Tomorrow, sunny and warmer with winds out of the north-northeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, because of those north-northeast winds, we will see some cooler conditions, cooler by standards as you go farther south, right along the shorelines of Lake Superior at 77 in Lawrence, 77 in Houghton, 78 in Ontonagon, and at 70 degrees on the dot in Munising. Farther south, away from the effects of Lake Superior, highs, middle 80s showing up in Florence and in Iron Mountain, and lower 80s in Escanaba and in Manistee. For your 7-day forecast, expect lots of sunshine to be in place as we head into Friday and Saturday. 83 as we head on into our Sunday for Father's Day with a few more clouds in place. We'll see if those showers do try to sneak in or not, but please don't cancel any of your plans. Monday, definitely expecting a chance of rain to be in place. High temperatures around those middle 70s, and then we'll see our numbers cool off heading into Tuesday through next Thursday.